Hi, it's Wayne Johnson from Mouse Training here. Today, I'm trying to work out people's ages from their date of birth. But I'm getting nowhere. I'll have to ask Claire to help me out.
Hi Wayne. What's the problem?
I'll show you on my Excel worksheet. I've got my people listed in columns A and B, and their dates of birth in the next column. I'm trying to calculate their age in years. And if I can, their age in years and months. I've used the today function to get today's date. And I've deducted their date of birth to get the difference in days. Now, I'm thinking that I should divide the result by 365 to get the years?
That's not a bad idea. Put some brackets around what you've already done. And divide by 365. And there's your result. But, and it's a big but, I think you're going to struggle with the months and years calculation.
Yup. That's what I thought. Leap years and 30 days have September. It's making my head spin.
Maybe we should try Excel's DATEDIF function.
I was kinda hoping you'd say that.
DATEDIF is not documented, so you have to know what to type in. It starts with equals DATEDIF, an open bracket. Then you have your earliest date. In our case, the date of birth. Next, your later date. In this case, the current date. And, finally, the unit of time required, which is a value from the following table. The first three values give the number of complete months, days or years between the two dates. And the last three values work out the fragments of days and months, as if the dates were in the same year. Got that, Wayne? Right, let's clear away what we've done and we'll enter the calculation using DATEDIF. So, it's equals DATEDIF an open bracket. You see that it doesn't pop up in the list. All you get is a ghostly apparition.
Wow.
Then, it's C2 for the date of birth. Comma. And, I'll use now to give me the current date. Then comma and AY in quotation marks to give me the date difference in complete years. Close brackets and enter. And the answer is
43. Which is what we had before. Awesome. Is there any difference between today and now?
There's no substantial difference between the two functions for this calculation. Now gives you the current date and the time. Whereas, today just gives the current date. Now is easier typing. When you enter the function into your formula, don't forget to include the brackets.
DATEDIF is a great function. But you're right, you gotta know what to type in. You don't get any help. Can we see some of the other unit values?
Yes, that's a good idea. I'll enter now into cell F1 to get today's date. The Y gave us the difference in years. Let's try M to get the months. There we are, 518. Wayne, what's 43 multiplied by 12?
It's about what you've got. Is it capital M or lowercase m?
Either. Don't change the subject. Let's try D to get the days. Great. Now we'll try the last three. Next up is YM, which is months, excluding the years. And the answer is 2. Which makes sense, because his birthday is in June. And we are still in August. So, the gross month difference is 2.
Ah.
Next is YD. Difference in days. Which is 78. Is that right?
I'll go and get my diary.
Last one is MD. Which is days, excluding months and years. The answer is 17. And that's right. 24 minus 7 is 17. Let's go back to years. Enter AY. And I don't think we'll need the date any longer.
Claire, can we have the word years on the end of the value?
No problem. All we need is a bit of concatenation. Back to the formula. Enter the unsign at the end, and add the text value of years. Oops! We need a space before the Y. There, it's done. Wayne, I think I know where you're going with this. You want the months on the end, as well. Don't you?
Yes, please.
Let's work out the months. Concatenate another DATEDIF. And sign. DATEDIF again. Comma. Date of birth. Comma. Another now. Comma. Wayne, what's the unit code for months excluding years?
YM.
And there's your answer. It looks about right, but we need to tidy up. Let's have a comma and a space after the word years. And months on the end. Back into the formula. Tidy up years. And yet more concatenation. Another and sign. And months in quotation marks. Done.
Wow. Claire, that's an outstanding formula. And you remembered to put a space in front of months.
Wayne, I'm just an old-fashioned show-off. Would you like to copy it down the column?
Oh yes. And the next time I need it, do you know what I'm gonna do?
Copy and paste.
You got it. Claire, I really like this formula because it's always up to date. Both now and today give us the current date, so, as time goes on, the formula recalculates. That's fantastic. But why is DATEDIF not documented?
Well, it's a bit of a story. DATEDIF has been in Excel since way back. It's a legacy function from the 1980s. But, apparently, it calculates incorrect results under certain circumstances. So, it's not 100% guaranteed. However, having said that, I've used it loads of times without any problems. So, be circumspect. And, if you're using it for any mission-critical calculations, double-check your results.
Okay. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. I hope we managed to give you a few ideas on doing Excel date calculations. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. And click the subscribe button below. Do get in touch if you want any help with your Excel formulas. Maybe you would like to arrange a training course for yourself or for some of your colleagues. Mouse Training is running a dedicated training course on Excel formulas and functions. Follow the link below to see the full course outline. If you need any further details, you're welcome to drop me a line or phone me on the number shown here. And don't forget, we can always tailor any training course to suit your own specific requirements. And for now, it's a goodbye from me.
And it's a goodbye from me. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.